What if I told you Hailuo 2.3 doesn't just generate frames, it understands time, motion,
They told me stop, but
gravity,
the gas. No rear view, just a rocket
emotion,
blast. Lights flash.
the way your camera feels.
I'm running this game, no defeat.
This isn't another prompt update. This is the future of cinematic AI. The most viral Hailuo prompts in the world are already out there,
One shot, one chance,
hidden on X. You just have to know how to find them. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. How creators are pulling millions of views by using a new kind of prompt flow that doesn't just describe scenes, it directs them. By the end of this video, you'll know how to find viral prompts from X before they blow up, convert them into cinematic Hailuo sequences, and build your own AI viral videos from scratch. This is the only prompt formula you'll ever need, not just for Hailuo 2.3, but every other AI tool. Most people still prompt like it's 2023. They type a sentence, press enter, and pray for a good shot. But here's the truth. Prompting isn't text anymore. It's direction. Every viral Hailuo video you've seen, the fight scenes, the cinematic slow-mos, the impossible physics, they weren't random, they were engineered. And today, I'll show you how to engineer your own. Let's start where all trends begin. X. When a new AI model drops, X becomes the testing ground. It's where you can see, in real time, what kind of prompts are exploding, what creators are trying, and which ones are rewriting what's possible. Here's how to find them. Simply ask Grok this. Hey, what is Hailuo 2.3 and what are its best features? Then, search the most viral and trending Hailuo 2.3 videos and give me prompts people are using right now inside X to showcase the best features of Hailuo 2.3. Also, mention the username of the creator and a public link for that video. Within seconds, you'll see the goldmine. Posts with 10,000, 100,000, even 1 million plus views, all showing cinematic results and their exact prompts. Now, Grok's done its job. Let's see what we've got. It lists the key features, the prompts used, the creators' usernames, and direct video links. Let's go through them. Let's see first one. Now, second one. You are already seeing what Hailuo 2.3 is best at. It understands physics more accurately than others' AI. Now, third one. This one is more focused on incredible and high-stakes motion dynamics. And in this way, you can study AI tools 100 times faster than before and only utilize your time on useful prompts. You don't have to waste your time scrolling and searching for trending videos. That's your foundation. Once you've found your favorites, you're going to feed them into ChatGPT. But not directly. Here's the secret nobody tells you. You don't want to use viral prompts. You want to use prompt generators that create viral prompts. So you say, based on these examples, create a reusable cinematic prompt generator for Hailuo 2.3. And in seconds, you'll have a living, breathing meta prompt, a prompt that generates prompts. You can tweak it, reuse it, and evolve it every time Hailuo updates. That's what separates creators who copy from creators who direct. Let's see what this process can create. Here are some of the top prompts I used and the insane videos they generated. Here is the first prompt. A sorceress casting massive fireballs while her opponent summons icy dragons, their powers clashing midair with explosive shockwaves, dynamic camera pans, intense epic, high action, cinematic, fast movements. And here is the result. Hailuo perfectly captured the motion and intensity, pure cinematic fire. Now, let's try this one. Epic fight scene of soldiers versus a giant tentacle monster in the desert. High action, motion blur, intense, cinematic, shaky camera. FPV of the shoulder. And here is the result. You can see that it nailed it. The tentacle's movement looked real. The blur, the dust, the weight, it felt alive. Hailuo 2.3 model is best for high-action scenes with dynamic camera movements. And here is the next prompt. The warrior in foreground sprints towards the monster in the background, and then leaps towards the monster, getting ready to strike. The monster opens its mouth and breathes fire, engulfing the warriors in flames. Epic fly-through shot tracking the warrior closely. For first one, I used an image for first frame, and second one is just normal text to video. Now, let's push further. I'll show you some insane generations created in minutes. Each is numbered. You'll find full prompts in the description. Prompt 4. Epic fight scene of soldiers versus a giant sandworm. High action, motion blur, intense, cinematic, shaky camera. FPV of soldier. Prompt 5. A cinematic close-up shows a battle-worn mage standing firm, his cloak whipping in the wind. You can see the full prompt here. Prompt 6. Hyper-realistic cinematic video, 8 seconds. A first-person view from a helmet-mounted camera as a rider drives a black cruiser motorcycle along a sun-drenched coastal highway, like California's highway. Prompt 7. FPV microcam racing through a massive underground ant colony with glowing bioluminescent tunnels. Ants the size of the camera swarm past in surreal, organized motion. The camera squeezes through cracks and chambers, glowing with fungus and energy, finally bursting into a sunlit clearing above ground. Microworld VFX. Immersive, unexpected. Prompt 8. Cinematic time ramp. From slow motion midair freeze to sudden acceleration as a snowboarder launches off a cliff. Drone swings under the board, capturing the horizon, flipping into the sky, and they land on the snow smoothly. These are some top trending viral prompts for Hailuo 2.3. And the motion graphics and animations you saw in these videos were completely generated using AI for free. And here are some other high-level motion graphics that I created completely from AI. In my next video, I will show you a full tutorial on how you can create motion graphics from AI and for 100% free. And remember this, if you keep doing the same task for an hour today and it still takes you an hour tomorrow, you're ignoring the most powerful advantage you have, AI. Thanks for watching.